I'm not taking pictures.
Whatever that you're taking, I don't want It says to a very nice people. So is it sold to people or is it sold to a person?
I don't know.
Sold to very nice people.
Here, Quinn, why don't you come take a seat on the 400 here?
On the 400?
Give me your second opinion since the first show we were at.
I don't know.
Hey, Yvonne.
I still think it's too small. But it's shiny.
Well, you can switch to get the KTM instead.
Yeah, get the KTM, yeah.
Right there. Barry was saying they had some of the KTMs, but they're not the race version. Because
No, you
those
don't
are
want that.
the race
I think you want
versions
this one.
are super expensive.
It's nice. I mean, it's little, but you know, what are you supposed to do?
Are you going to be asking to ride it now?
No.
No?
I will never be asking to ride it. It's just not me. I couldn't do it, dude.
You're like missing a disc brake.
I race just for fun. So I want to be able to do wheelies and burnouts and, you know. I don't think this is going to wheel.
Holy smokes! You okay?
Yeah, I'm good.
You look pretty good.
It's so that slow.
No, it's not going to wheelie. Well, actually,
not with the
no,
200 pound.
I wheelied in Thailand with the 300 and 500 Hondas. You really just got to rev it up and release the clutch.
Yeah, just be really hard on it.
Woo! We'll see Marianne coming with her flashes on pretty soon, I guess. There they are. Haha, back we go. These guys got green lights on. That's trippy.
And I'm a 200-pound user, so
No, you're not. You're 198.5 right now.
hoping to get to 185. That's the goal, 185.
Well, if we make the gym today, we'll see.
Yeah, well, that's actually, today's workout's not going to help me lose weight.
No, today's workout is candy.
Arm workout.
Yeah. All right.
Guys. Really cool looking.
You know what's good? I'm glad we're just picking up in the box too.
Oh, it's so much better in the box.
Yeah. You know,
Edit all those clips together after.
Yeah.
last night till 4 a.m. actually. I'm serious. Quentin, I actually did stories on Instagram at 4 a.m.
He's at like 10 o'clock, and then he goes home and eats, and then works till 4.
Yeah, eat and
That's
work.
why I'm here so late.
Well, I still got up at 8
I'm in my
o'clock.
office by 7:30. I'm done all my work by the time I even see him in the day.
Look at the trailer. It's freaking way up high.
You got her jacked up too high, buddy.
Yeah, she's way high.
Better let it down a little bit.
You didn't say what you said before. Been smoking way too much.
Smoking way too much. You think that's level? You've been smoking a lot. And now we missed our morning workout.
Yeah. Well, that's your fault. That's your fault.
We don't miss our afternoon workout. Yes, this morning's workout was my fault.
I would have made the 10 a.m. Yeah.
That's good.
So,
We have
so
an hour
Yvonne,
and 5 minutes.
the last 4 nights in a row, I've been going to bed at like 3 a.m. and last night was 4 a.m. But I still wake up about 8 o'clock alarm. So I'm on 3.5 hours sleep from last night, and then 4 and 4 and 5.
Now a little bit of break.
Yeah, I'm trying to get
And he has to leave by Tuesday or something.
to California to get down to Thunder Hill. I got a couple.
Driving?
Yeah, the truck and trailer camper, because I got students booked on Saturday, Sunday, and then I go to AFM Buttonwillow and I have a mentoring a racer out there named Robert on a BMW that I built for him.
Really watch this.
And then we're going to Pirate Cove.
Pirate Cove for a week, yeah.
Yeah, with the side-by-side. And I'm bringing my RMZ dirt bike with me.
Awesome.
Yeah. Oh, fuck, guys. I just blew up a wheel. And I think it hit a car behind me. Holy shit. You gotta be fucking kidding me. Oh my god, the wheel just flew off the trailer, leaving the track. And I think it hit a car because I saw a puff of smoke back there. God damn it. This is not what I need right now, and I hope everything's okay up there. Wheel probably flew off right in front of the car. God damn it, I'm stressed out now. You don't see too many white trucks. They're usually always a red fire truck. Oh, it's driving right now. He's just driving it up. There's Quinn creeping down the hill. Hey, put that wheel back on the ground, sir.
Wheel on the ground.
You're gonna get a ticket. No wheeling. Now I better bomb start this moto, huh? And Quentin, you were worried about that hill. That's a bomb start hill. See if I can do circle standing up.
I had a really hard drop off.
I got sand in my gloves. We got different problems. I'm getting back into dirt biking now too.
Yeah.
I love the dirt. It's so much more affordable than this stuff.
You should be buying another RMZ.
I know.
Electric start with lights on.
Well, let's go around the property again. Into the corner. Let's go down in first gear. Second, third, fourth. I'll have to see what I can do with the KTMs maybe. I'm kind of liking the 500 style, you know, or maybe a 300 two-stroke.
Yeah. But you got electric start and you got a headlight. It's $8,000.
It's only 2,000 more than the little 400.
See? It says for the serious off-roader. Are you a serious off-roader?
Sometimes.
There you go. $72 bi-weekly.
Yeah.
If you wanted to find
We did just rock out Moab. It was pretty serious.
Yeah, that was very serious.
I had a it was like a serious trials expedition. Okay, here we go. Let's try. Oh! Whoa! Down a second. Yeah! Carry the second wheelie to the top.
You probably take your custom aluminum radiators that you already have and put them on here.
Yeah, just take the stuff from my
Take the other
RMZ.
stuff off. Yeah.
It's got a 6-speed electric start.
This is exactly the same. It just got a better seat and better plastics. Probably even has like electronic fuel injection. I don't know.
Yeah, they're all
And it's got electric
electronic.
start, so then there's no more kicking.
All right, you know, this thing's a lot more affordable, huh? Yeah, I should just switch sports. This shit's really fun and easy. All right, I'll catch you around, bud. Oh, hey, Corey.
What's happening?
You know, just freaking.
What are you doing? Are you doing a freestyle show? Do some Superman seat grab?
Definitely not. There's no jumps around here. Oh, anyways, that's awesome. Oh, now it won't start. Oh.
The 500 EXC.
Yeah, so that would be something I'd be interested in. 12.7 retail.
I didn't like it. It was too much bike.
Too much bike for you?
Too much bike for the trail. It was unmanageable.
Oh, you had what year? A 14?
2014, yeah, 500. It was the first year of the 500, I believe.
Well, I mean, you were also like a novice too, right?
I was,
You still are a novice for dirt biking.
Dirt biking, it's too much bike for the trail.
I mean, even my 450 is too much, dude.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Your 450 is even too much.
Yeah. But like I said, I'm gonna get street legal it,
This
you
one
know.
or this one.
But once I ride on the street, then the 350 is gonna be crap trying to get to the trail.
I like the look of this one. This one looks good.
Or the 2-stroke. You know, I gotta do some test drives.
Oh my. See,
Skins on it.
these 450s.
You know, forget about the 400. Let's just get dirt bikes.
Oh, I said it's a 450. So 500, 450, 350.
So it's the same chassis probably, just a little different CC stroke. Yeah.
Yeah, maybe this one. This would be a good one.
While we're talking about KTMs, dude, let's jump back to the Vancouver Motorcycle Show. Remember when we were looking at the bike? There was a pipe that was, the plastic was right into the pipe. Remember that?
Yeah, I remember that totally. But I think somebody obviously in transport probably
But this is not touching.
bent it. This one's clear. It's flattened out,
Yeah, it's not gonna melt.
but it's clear. The other one was touching it.
Yeah. And then
Or
notice.
maybe, or they had, I don't know, maybe they put the wrong exhaust on the wrong bike
It
just
was-
in a hurry.
yeah. So this is the 300XC, and then here is the XCW, and it's a different pipe, and there's no indentation. So just to note, guys, they have different power bands from the pipes, and that they got those indentations. In fact, I read on the forums all the time about people like with bikes, and they're like, "I just bought an FMF pipe, and it's got this dent in it. Is this, you know, was this a shipping issue?"
Yeah.
There's all these questions on the Thumper Talk. So you know what I'm doing here today, Danny?
No idea.
I am spending money on a 400, Ninja 400.
It's crazy the way the world works.
Yes, it's all backwards, right? I still have my BMW, but I want to start racing small bikes, big bikes, teaching with that, you know. It's a lot of fun. I rode an R3, I raced it once in North Carolina.
Yeah.
Had tons of fun.
Well, they're fun to ride because you ride the wheels off of them, right?
This says we've collected all the tax and everything.
Signature of
So,
purchaser.
signature of purchaser. That is you.
Can you believe it? I'm buying a 400.
I can't believe you're buying a 400. This is
It's either that or the RS1, right?
this could either be a really happy day or a really sad day. I'm not sure yet.